Welcome to this tutorial where I will better explain the WhatsApp Launch Manager. To access, go to Tools, then WhatsApp Central. Here on the main page, you just need to click Access Tool under the WhatsApp Launch Manager. Now, this tool is great for groups or individual support. On the side menu, you will have three different options. The first one is your campaigns, where you can see all your active and archived campaigns. You can also create new campaigns by clicking Create Campaigns. These campaigns are always sent to groups. Once you have created the group and it is active, you will be able to see how many leads you have, how many groups, how many messages were sent, and who the administrators are. You will also see the sequences of messages created in the group. You will also be able to import existing groups you already have on WhatsApp. The next option is attendance, which is kind of like the support option. You have operators accessing your WhatsApp via their computers. For an example, I will have my main business WhatsApp, but I will give my two operators in my company access to answer these clients. You will need to complete this form to create the access. Once created, you can share with them the link. After that, you will then see in the main page everything that is happening on your WhatsApp. To open WhatsApps, finished WhatsApps, how many of your operators are online, and even how many contacts you have. Further down, you can also register different departments like a sales department, accounts department with different operators. It is important that each operator is registered with their own WhatsApp number. This number is not for the client to see, but for the operator to confirm and verify that it is him accessing the WhatsApp. Now in this form, you will give all the permissions as well as the department. The last option is the My Numbers. This is where you connect your phone number. What is great about this section is you do not have a limit to how many numbers are connected, which means you can have multiple numbers with multiple operators in different departments. This is all for this tutorial. I really hope that you enjoy it and that you use the WhatsApp Launch Manager for your business. Have a wonderful day. Bye.